So hello friends, welcome back to Romcart YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to set auto shutdown feature on Windows and Linux operating system. So first of all, what is basically auto shutdown feature? So the auto shutdown feature is a feature of an operating system which allows you to turn off your device after a certain period of time, which you can set by using only one command. So let's get started. So first of all, I will show the process of Windows operating system because most of my subscribers are using Windows operating system. So to do that on Windows, what you need to do is hold Windows plus R button on your keyboard, or you can directly search for run and open the run. Then in the run, type this command shutdown, then space, then /s, then space again here, then /t, then space, and enter the amount of time after which you want your desktop or laptop to be turned off. So here I have already set 400 seconds, and yes, it is on seconds. So whatever time you want to set, you have to set for seconds. Like if I want to set this for 1 minute, I will type 60 here. So after 60 seconds it will automatically turn off. If you want for 5 minutes, then you have to set for 300 seconds. So this will turn off the desktop after 300 seconds. So let me show you by using this command. So currently you can see I am setting this for 300 seconds and currently the time is 8:54 p.m. So if I hit enter, it will show something like this. Your Windows will shut down in 5 minutes at 8:59 p.m. So let's see after 5 minutes. So you can see it's currently 8:57 and it shows a reminder that Windows will shut down in 2 minutes at 8:59. So let's wait for that. So you can see here it goes, automatic shutdown, and I'm not doing anything. And it's real shutdown, it's not like sleep. You can see if I click anything, the PC does not turn on. So this is how it works. Now let's see how to do the same thing on Linux. So currently I am on Ubuntu Linux, which is most commonly used Linux distribution. So in Linux, to set auto shutdown, you have to open terminal. For opening terminal, I am using the shortcut which is Ctrl-Alt-T. And this is common for all Linux distributions. So after opening the terminal, at first let me show you that I am using Ubuntu. So you can see currently I'm on Ubuntu 24 LTS and I'm on GNOME theme. So the command is shutdown, then the time. So currently you can see the time is 9:10 p.m. So I will type shutdown. And now I have to set the time. So for 9:10 I have to enter 21:11 because I want to turn off at 21:11, which means 9:11. So let me enter this and show you in the video. So you can see currently it's 9:11 p.m. and I am setting this shutdown timer for, okay, so it's now 9:11. I have to set it for 9:12. So you can see I have set it for 9:12, and if I hit enter, it will say something which is shutdown schedule for Tuesday at 9:12, and you can cancel this by typing shutdown C. That means like this, but I don't want to cancel it. So let's see how it automatically gets shut down. So currently you can see I am not doing anything and it's currently 9:11 and it will turn off at 9:12. And you can see it automatically shuts down. I did not do anything. And even this one is also real shutdown. It's not like sleep. You can see if I type anything, there is no response. That means our desktop is turned off. So yeah, this is how you can this is how you can set auto shutdown on Windows and Linux operating system. So I hope you guys liked this video. If yes, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.